V. Okay, now another one, we'll see. Now say speed of light in medium 1 is, say it is V1, this one is V2. Now we can divide numerator and denominator by the speed of light in vacuum or air, in this way. Now this term will take in denominator, this one will take in numerator. So then it will be what? C by V1, C by V2 by C by V1. Is it correct? C by V2 by C by V1. But C by V2 is the absolute refractive index of medium 2. Vacuum 2, the medium 2 it is going. This is absolute refractive index of medium 1. So this can be written as mu 2 by mu 1. Mu 2 by mu 1. It means 1 mu 2 is equal to mu 2 by mu 1. Refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is the ratio of absolute refractive index of medium 2 to medium 1. Also we can write W mu G. It means what? W mu G. W I told you it stands for water. This one is glass. You can write here also, water also you can write. Here you can write glass, no problem. This is better. This will be what? Absolute refractive index of glass by absolute refractive index of water. Is it clear? Now next we'll talk about, because it is light wave, so it is depending on the frequency as well as the wavelength. Frequency and the wavelength. So the speed of light is depending on the frequency and wavelength. Frequency into the wavelength. F stands for frequency and this is lambda stands for wavelength. This is speed of light or wave speed, wave velocity. Now what is the role of frequency and wavelength in refraction of light? Refraction of light. As we know, speed decreases when light is traveling from rarer to denser, transparent medium, and when light is traveling from denser to rarer medium, speed increases. Yes. Now, during refraction of light, frequency is constant. It is unchanged, not changing, because frequency depending on the source of light. Frequency depending on the source of light. Then what happened? The wavelength will be depending on the speed. If it is constant, no changing during the refraction, so then obviously velocity and wavelength, these two will be what? Related. It means what happened? If frequency is constant, when speed is decreasing, that is, the wavelength will decrease. Or other way, When light is traveling from rarer to denser medium, speed is decreasing. So obviously wavelength is also will decrease. Wavelength will also decrease. Again, when light is traveling from denser to rarer medium, we know that speed will increase. So that what happen? Wavelength will increase. That's it. Also, the color of light also depending on the wavelength of light. Okay, we'll do this one later on, the color of light. First of all, we'll do again the refractive index in terms of wavelength of light. So say this is 1 mu2, refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1. This one equal to, we know what? V1 by V2, the speed of light in medium 1 to speed of light in medium 2. This can be written as F1 lambda 1 by F2 lambda 2. You can write in this way. Frequency of light in medium 1 into frequency, what? Wavelength of light in medium